Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. We have already started with HTML tags, formatting tags, and we'll be seeing the more. First one is Q tag, which is used to display some text in double quotes. If suppose you want to display something in between in double quotes, so like this is HTML. Okay, HTML you want to display in double quotes. Let us see the output. So you can see this is the simple text and HTML is marked in double quotes. So this is the use of Q tag. Next one is cite tag, which is used to specify the source of the document. Okay. Suppose I want to display that the source is a.html. Suppose this is a file which is having the source code. Now let us display this one. So you can see the source is a.html, but a.html is displayed in some other font. Now next is code. So this tag is used to specify some programming code. Okay, suppose you are making a documentation of some program. Okay, not executable, but in the form of document, but to specify that this is a program. Now suppose I'm writing suppose I'm writing a C program or C code of just 2 lines. Okay, this is a small code. Let us see how it gets displayed. So you can see here the code is displayed in some other font. Okay, the program is displayed in some other font. Now next one, keyboard. If suppose you are filling up some form and in the text box there is pre-typed text. Okay, to enter something, to make you know that what to enter. Okay, simply I'll write enter name. Okay, so let us see the output for this one. So enter name, again this one is in the other font. Now next is the SAMP, that is sample. Now you have written some program in the code tags. Now you want to display the output, and which will be in the form, in the different form, and that is written in the form of SAMP, that is sample tags. Now you'll write the output of previous code, just A. Okay, let us see it. Now A is displayed in some other font. Next, address. So address is used to write the address. Okay, this tag is used to write the address so that it is looking different from other text which is used to specify only address. Now suppose I'm writing address like house number something 23, then Kali Nivas, Hoskote, Bengaluru. Okay, so suppose this is the address. Now let us see what it displays and how it displays. So you can see clearly that address is different, displayed differently. Now what all we seen in this video, we have seen the Q tag, which is used to display the text in double quotes, then cite, then code tag, which is used to write a program code, then keyboard tag, that is KBD, which is used to display what to type over there, then sample SAMP SAM, that is a sample tag which is used to display the sample output. Now the address tag, which is used to display the output on the web page. So this was all about the web page formatting in HTML. So we'll be seeing some more features of HTML in upcoming videos. For that, subscribe the channel, keep watching the videos. Thank you.